The purpose of this tutorial is to help the unit's representative understand how to fill out the strategic plan template. Each spring, the Office of Assessment, Accreditation, and Academic Program Planning emails strategic plan templates to non-academic units and selected academic units. The template serves as a place for verifying strategic objectives and the associated measures and targets the unit expects to assess in the upcoming academic year. The unit representative is expected to provide revisions, if any, to the objectives, measures, and targets on the template. The template is protected except in specific areas where a response or revision is needed. This protection is intended to A. Protect the integrity of the original information on the template, and B. To help the user locate the areas in the document where input is desired. These unprotected areas can be used to enter simple text, paste various other types of documentation such as images, spreadsheets, and text copied from Word and PDF documents. This tutorial will walk through the various sections of the report where this requested information can be provided by the user. This tutorial does not attempt to help define what a good strategic planning objective, measure, or target might look like for your specific unit. If you need assistance defining these components, Jody Pettazzoni, UNCG's liaison to the Southern Association of Colleges and Schools Commission on Colleges, is ready to consult with you. Jody can be reached at jepettaz@uncg.edu. First up is the mission statement section. Your program's mission statement is the first item that may require attention. If the mission statement will remain in place as is, simply check the box next to No Changes. If the mission of the unit has changed, check the box next to If you are modifying this mission, and enter the revised mission in the editable text area that says Provide your revised mission statement here. Up next is the Strategic Objectives section. In this section, the strategic objectives for the unit are listed. Each objective is followed by an associated measure and target used to illustrate the unit's results in achieving the objective. Take note of the matrix directly under each objective. This matrix contains 9 checkboxes related to the areas of transformation and areas of strategic focus outlined in the UNCG strategic plan. You may check any number from 0 to all 9 of the checkboxes depending on what parts of the UNCG strategic plan this particular objective supports. More information about the UNCG strategic plan can be found at strategicplan.uncg.edu. As in previous sections, the user has the option to provide revisions to the objective, the measure, and the target by clicking the checkbox next to the words "If you are modifying this," and then entering the revision in the corresponding editable area. If no revisions are needed, simply check the box next to No Changes. Finally, at the bottom of each objective, measure, target set is an area called Activities. In this optional area, you may list activities you performed associated with this objective. Next is the section for additions, miscellaneous information, and other changes related to the strategic objective section. In this optional section, the user is provided with an editable area where other information regarding strategic objectives may be provided. For example, did the program have strategic objective, measure, target set that wasn't listed in the template? Here's a spot to list that objective, measure, and target. Other miscellaneous information related to the strategic objectives section can be provided here as well. Thank you for reviewing this tutorial. If you have questions regarding the use of the template, please contact Scott Jones at wsjones2@uncg.edu. If you need assistance with defining your objectives, measures, and targets, please contact Jody Pettazzoni at jepettaz@uncg.edu.